All right, fellas, so here we are. I've been talking to this guy online for the past couple of weeks. I'm trying to get a car body kit for one of my clients. They claim they produce for Mercedes and Toyota, so he invited me to come check out his factory in Jiangsu province of China. Let's go check it out. I like the new one. YU7?
YU7.
That's what you're buying, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it has the Porsche Ganje.
Yeah, like Porsche.
Yeah, that's nice. How much?
2.6.
260.
Yeah.
No, that's so cheap. Nice. That is very interesting. If you make it, it's more expensive.
Yeah.
Other factory make it is cheap.
Yeah.
Why?
The fact that we can make the price go
Cheap.
down.
So this is it a front grille, right?
Yeah, for Toyota.
For Toyota, right?
Wheel 5, you know.
Toyota what?
Wheel 5, the big car.
Oh yeah.
MPV.
Yeah, MPV, okay. This is what?
Rear, ABS.
ABS, right?
Yeah.
Headlights cover, right? For which model?
Looks like Lexus.
Okay. So Lexus to not all the models, right?
No, just one.
specific models. Which model?
570.
570.
The big
I
one.
know. Yeah.
Combo spoiler. For Land Cruiser.
Mm.
Okay, this.
Okay, this it feels softer, right? Ooh. So you think these are all going to Dubai? Maybe?
Yeah. Buy every day.
Ship to Dubai. No way. Every day.
Yeah, every day.
That's crazy. So do you go to exhibitions in Dubai?
This one.
Yeah.
Exhibitions.
Yeah, in Dubai. You go there sometimes?
Every year.
Every year you go.
We have we'll go to buy. This is one V class.
E-Class.
Vehicle.
So how many people do you have here working here?
Maybe I don't know exactly. Maybe 200.
300. 200. And what about the office?
Office.
Yeah.
Office maybe 100.
100. Oh, okay. So what is this?
PP material.
This is PP material.
PP 1.2.
Okay. So PP also there are different kinds of PP.
Yeah.
So this is 1.2.
Yeah.
What is the feedback you get from the Dubai clients?
Very good.
Very good feedback?
Because we do this very long time.
For a very long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not bad.
And packing. Here we do the packing.
Do the packing.
Land Cruiser.
Land Cruiser, that's big. Is it Prado?
Best selling this
Prado?
Land Cruiser LC 200.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know that one, yeah.
Prado the small one.
Yeah.
So this is the biggest.
Yeah, the LC200. I have a friend who had one.
But not now in Chinese market, not
not
much.
very popular, yeah. Yeah, take it easy. Pretty metallic. All right. Do you mind? Can we see it? Can we see the whole thing? All right. Thank you, man. So this is pure iron.
Iron.
Okay. So that's like the W221 to 223.
Yeah.
It can.
The body is same, just the facelift have
A
different.
little bit different. Okay, cool. Mercedes, and what's the third one?
Toyota.
Toyota. Okay.
Toyota
Cool.
Land Cruiser.
All the models. Toyota, all models.
No.
Just some models.
Just the Land Cruiser, Prado,
Okay.
and the Lexus.
Oh, okay. Just the big models.
Yeah.
That's very decent. Very decent. So these are plug and play, right? You just connect it and that's it.
Yeah.
This has to be PP.
Yes. Almost same.
Oh, that's the turn in here. That's pretty nice.
Tail light.
Tail lights, right?
Yeah.
But I got a Alright. Tail light. You got a reverse lamp right here. So would you say these are LEDs or
LED.
LED, right? Okay. I think it's good enough. Thank you so much. What makes Dubai easier?
Dubai is a trading
Trading hub,
country.
right?
Yeah.
So it's easier to deal with
Everything
Dubai.
will be easy.
Okay. So which models do you ship to Dubai? These same models or different models?
Yeah. This one have some, but for the Dubai market, it's almost Land Cruiser.
Okay.
Big car.
Yeah, because of the
something-
desert,
it's
right?
mature,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right, cool. You said you make about 200 different models?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
We have do this business more than 20 years.
More than 20 years.
Yeah.
And how many factories in China?
Just this one and then another old one.
Oh, 2 factories.
Yeah.
All right.
But we have some mode
Mhm.
in some other place.
Okay.
Zhejiang.
Okay.
and
So do you also like
Yangzhou.
do like OEM? Do you customize if a client wants something?
we didn't do the OEM.
You don't do OEM,
We
right?
just do upgrade.
Okay, just to upgrade.
Old upgrade.
Okay. So what about problems? If a client buys them, receives them in their country, and there is a problem, what do you do?
What's the problem?
I don't know, maybe scratches on the doors, maybe LEDs, a few are broken, not working.
We will check. If it's our problem, we will.
Okay. So they should send you like pictures and videos, right?
Yeah, picture, video.
And if you think it's your problem,
Yeah.
you replace them.
Yeah, because not when it's a when nothing. It's another country very far.
Okay.
If you want to send by air, it's unavailable because it's very expensive.
Expensive. Okay. So
we
if
just
you
can,
buy
we just
C,
can, we just can give you the parts.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you provide the part for free, you replace,
Yeah.
and then the client will pay for the shipping,
Yeah.
transportation.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds fair. All right, guys, so you heard him. He cannot tell us the price. It's all based on B2B. If you're a business, you reach out to me. If you're interested, I can connect you guys and you guys discuss the price. Apparently, they don't give out the price. For whatever reason, I do not know. I guess it all depends on your negotiation, like, skill and power. So once you need it, make contact. Try to negotiate as much as possible. Get your product. But I must say, the quality looks pretty good. It's pretty metallic and it's close to the original, as he said. I'm trying to get this for my client out in Ghana. So once I send it to him, he gives me a feedback. I'll try to put it up and let you guys know if he's excited about it, if the quality is what he was expecting or not. All right. Now we're about to check out the rear windshield. Ooh, my dear. All right. So that is the rear windshield. This is from Mercedes Maybach. W221 to 223. Because it's Boli, Sulia. Boli. So he just said it's glass. I was trying to ask if it's plastic, but he said it's pure glass, and I can feel it. It's glass. How do you这个跟那个原装的差不多吗？
应该差不多吧。
差不多吧。 So it's trying to say the quality is as close to the original. To be honest, I don't really know how the original feels, but it feels pretty durable. It's got a lot of weight. It's heavy and it's thick. Yeah, not bad at all. Another factory
This place have too much factory.
doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Diane to Chanju, how far is it?
1 hour.
1 hour. All right, so guys, this is it. Yeah, so apparently, if they do not slap the logo onto the body kit, it's okay. Everything is legal. You only get problems when you put the logos on the body kit. So always remember that it's not a problem if it's just plain kits being produced by molding. So these are all your kits.
Yeah.
This is your kit. Let's see if it's as they say it is. Yeah, pretty solid.
Just
This is just the bumper, right? Yeah, it looks decent. Looks just like the original. Yeah. Do these light up? Do they have lights in
yeah,
there?
it's all the lights.
Oh, okay. That's nice. This is where you replaced, right? The grill.
Yeah,
Not the side.
It's
Not
the
the
bumper.
Side. Only the bumper.
Bumper and rear.
Okay. Yeah, you can barely see, like, there's no difference at all, right?
Yeah.
Like the color, it's so perfect.
There's no difference.
Yeah, that is super cool. Change this one.
Bumper, fender, the lights, complete front.
Yeah, like I said, it's a really good fit. It's very difficult to tell the difference, right?
Yeah.
It looks almost like the original stuff. Yeah, this is impressive.
It's popular in Dubai.
Yeah, very popular in Dubai. Very nice.
We do the spoiler.
Ah, you did the spoiler. That's awesome. So this one does not come original with the spoiler.
Design.
You guys put it there.
Mm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that is in the back too, right? I think there's a spoiler in the back. Is this an original color?
No. Speaker.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that looks really, it makes you really sporty, right? You change anything?
Front and the back.
The front and the back. So this is your front.
Yeah.
Minus the logo. The logo is not yours. You did not
Logo
make the
need to buy from the other place.
Okay.
No logo.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's a good fit. I'm sure these light up, right?
Light.
They
with
got
light.
lights. Yeah, they got lights in there. Yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, that is decent. That is cool. So this is our ABS, right? Oh, PP. That's PP?
PP.
PP.